animal is a poison dart frog. It is an amphibian. This animal lives mostly in the bottom layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat small insects. One interesting fact about this animal is the male watches over the eggs, and when they hatch, he carries them to a pool of water. I like this animal because its toxins are used for darts, which local people in Rainforest use to knock out their prey.
My animal is a gecko. It is a reptile. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat insects and worms.
My animal is a hummingbird. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat flower nectar. One interesting fact about this animal is they feed every 10 to 15 minutes. I like this animal because it has colorful feathers.
My insect is a butterfly. It is an insect. This animal lives mostly in the understory layer of the rainforest. This insect likes to eat nectar. One fact about this animal is that a butterfly comes from a caterpillar. I like this insect because it has many colors and it is beautiful.
My animal is a golden lion tamarin. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in dense low layers of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat fruit and insects. One interesting fact about this animal is they live to be about 7 years old in the wild and 20 years in the zoo.
My animal is a parrot. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat seeds, nuts, fruits, and buds. One fact about this animal is parrots can imitate.
My animal is a monkey. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the understory layers of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat fruits, mangoes, bananas, and some eat meat. My animal is a porcupine. It is a mammal. It lives on the forest floor. It eats leaves. My animal is a red-eyed tree frog. It is a amphibian. This animal lives mostly in the canopy. This animal likes to eat flowers and butterflies.
My animal is a peacock. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat leaves and fruit.
My animal is a reptile. It is a snake. This animal lives mostly in the top layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat birds.
My animal is a toucan. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat fruit. One interesting fact about this animal is their beak is half the size of their body. I like this animal because it is colorful.
My animal is a leopard. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the lower layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat other animals. The fact about this animal, it can run 36 miles per hour. I like this animal because it is pretty.
My animal is a jaguar. It is a mammal. This animal mostly lives the forest floor layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat meat. One fact about this animal is good swimmers. I like this animal because it runs fast. My animal is a sloth. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat leaves and fruit. One interesting fact about this animal is it does many things while hanging upside down. I like this animal because they have strong claws and swim very well.
My animal is a lemur. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the primary layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat plants, fruits, and insects. One fact about this animal is they are related to the monkey family. I like this animal because of their colors.
My animal is a rhinoceros. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the bottom layers of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat fruits and leaves.
My animal is a iguana. It is a reptile. This animal lives mostly in the canopy. This animal likes to eat leaves. It has a third eye.
My animal is a macaw. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly in the canopy layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat seeds, nuts, and fruit. One fact about this animal is that it eats standing on one foot. I like this animal because it is colorful.
My animal is a tapir. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the forest floor layer of the rainforest. This animal likes to eat fruit, leaves, and seeds. One interesting fact about this animal is weighed to 500 to 800 ibs. 227 to 363 kg. I like this animal because it knows how to swim.